Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox the Yeezy 500 High Miss Slate. Okay, so on Monday, 8th of February, Yeezy dropped new shoes, and it was a bit strange since they don't usually drop on Monday. And also they dropped two Yeezys at the same time. One is Silver and the other one is Miss Slate, which is the one I've got here. And in the morning, the day it was released, I got notifications, so when I checked it, I could buy it without going through raffles, so I bought it at £180 from the Offspring. I checked earlier, as I was expecting the resale price isn't that high. You can get it on around like 200 bucks. Anyway, let's open it. Okay, it's not that bad as much as I was expecting it would be. I really like the design of the sole. It looks like this, and it comes with just one pair of lace, which is like this, and the front it looks like this, and the side it looks like this, the back looks like this, the other side it looks like this, and yeah. And I also like the material of these shoes. It feels good when you feel it. Okay, yeah, let's try them on. Okay guys, the shoes is very comfortable, but if you want to buy it, I think you should go like half size up, because I usually wear size 7 and these are 7.5 and they fits perfectly for me. And yeah, overall the shoes is nice. I actually like them. And yeah, alright guys, that's it for today. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section and tell me what you think about the shoes. And if you like the video, do subscribe, as I'll be uploading tons of sneaker related videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.